taking a stroll through a storybook pumpkin patch. Robert Small's Leadership Academy held its 13th annual Book Character Pumpkin Decorating Contest. Students from all grade levels were encouraged to show off their artistic abilities as they turned characters from their favorite books into pumpkins. The school gave awards to 3 Upper Academy students.
I made the Back Is Described pumpkin, and I want to make that pumpkin off the book because the book is a very good book and it's very funny.
I made the carrot pumpkin. I wanted to make it because of the cover of the book I saw in the little picture. I thought it was really interesting and I really thought I would do really good with it and I thought I might win with it, so I decided to do that pumpkin.
I made a skeleton pumpkin and the book was about a skeleton who all he wanted to do was dance, and I thought the book was cool.
The school also named 3 Lower Academy winners and recognized 3 honorable mention pumpkins created by kids in kindergarten and pre-K.
Gerald can't dance, paper towel roll, pink, Fancy Nancy. Then she had crazy outfits. Frosty the Snowman, because the book, it was so cool.
About 30 pumpkins were created for the contest, and they're all on display in the media center. The students hope when kids see the pumpkins, it'll make them want to read more.
It can inspire anyone because when you look at it and it looks like fun and it looks fun to do, then it makes them want to read the story and then they like reading more because of how things look.
I think it's gonna encourage kids to read because the characters we made out of the pumpkins, it shows like most of the story and it shows the main characters of the story, and it might interest them about how the characters look and how it's gonna provide the information through the story.
The school also had a special category for educators to submit pumpkins. At Robert Small's Leadership Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.